Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to find phone contacts on Facebook app. First of all, click on this three-line icon. Scroll down and now click on settings and privacy. Settings and scroll down to the bottom, and in this permissions section you will find upload contacts. Click on it and here we can see continuous contacts upload. You will get it turned off by default, so you have to turn on this. So click on it. Now click on get started. Right now here is no contacts to display. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.